Hi everyone, I'm Elena from That London Life, and today I'm going to give you a room and hotel tour of Native Bankside. Recently I've stayed at 3 hotels at different price points, and this is the most expensive hotel that I've stayed at so far. It was around £168. This is a small studio. It's really cute. I will show you in the room tour right now. Trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. Yeah. How you keep staying the same. Yeah. But baby, I get something different, and I'm okay with that. I can't fake no more smiles. That shit gon' drive me mad. I'm focused on the future. Don't care about nothing else. I'm better by myself. When you come in, we have this little kitchenette, which is amazing because this is the small studio. We have a half fridge, which is great size, and they already provide you with a few little milks. Then you've got a microwave and oven, which you can use as apparently either. And then we have probably the most adorable thing I've ever seen, the tiniest dishwasher I've ever seen in the world. Just the one tray. We have really cute pots of tea and coffee. We've also got some spatulas and other things to make real food with. And because you can make real food in this kitchenette, it has an induction hob with the kettle so that you can boil water, obviously. Over here, you've got your sink, and on the first floor, you can get either boiled water or cold water. So if you don't want to drink tap water, you can go to the first floor with this empty bottle and take some tap water. So in the first cupboard up here, we have an oven glove, we've got a cheese grater, something to make your coffee with, and some glasses and some mugs. Everything good for 2 people. On the other side, some pans to make more food with, a colander, some more chopping boards, some plates, some bowls. Underneath, we have a washer and dryer. I wish I had this in my flat, my goodness, that would be such a time saver. And then on the other side, you have just some other basic necessities that you'll need in a small studio, especially if you were to stay here for a long time. So there's a little bin here you can pull out, and it's actually got other bits for other recycling. Nowhere does recycling in hotels. That is actually really great. I approve of this message. And then you've got a tray above so that you can drain your dishes, do your dishwasher, clean up everything. This is the cutlery drawer. I was gonna wonder where the cutlery was. Honestly, I would love to move in here. This could be me. I could absolutely be happy here. Coming over now, we've got some more storage, and you're gonna see me high. Got a large cupboard. This one I've already put my coat in, and it's where the ironing board is stored. This is a little cool nifty thing to have in this small studio because of course, if you cook, where are you gonna eat? This is where. So you pull this table out, and then you've got a little table. This is so great. This is so well thought out. Now, if you're thinking, okay, great, I've got a table, but now how am I supposed to eat at that? They've thought this through. In this cupboard, because we haven't seen these cupboards yet, in this cupboard, you've got some chairs. I do love a cupboard that lights up when you're looking into it. This is also a cupboard. And in here you've got a mirror. Well, this is an extension cord. I never have one of those with me when I'm traveling. You've got your hair dryer, and you've got an iron. The bedroom is also gorgeous. I would absolutely style my home this way if I could. Loads of plugs around this place. And then you've got this lighting system. So above us is obviously this strip light which goes all the way around. We've got some little dotted lights as well, some little spotlights. That's all controlled by this little square here. If you want it to be a bit more muted for some mood lighting, or if you want it bright because you're working and it's dark, which it kind of is getting now. Coming around here, we have obviously the widescreen TV in front of the bed, always handy. And then you've got this kind of, would you call this a day bed? Window seat? Anyway, so this is really cute. You can use this as your day bed, seating area, extra places to sit. If you have friends over to visit you while you're in the studio, they can sit here. And then you have this fantastic wide window. So you've got your netting for privacy, because when you look out over the view, you see the back of a building. I don't know if it's also part of the hotel. I believe that it is not. I think it's a different building. But that building fronts onto the Thames because we're so close to the Thames. Of course, this would not be a complete room tour if I didn't tour the bathroom. So let's move past the table. Is this not a gorgeous bathroom? Geberit or however it is you pronounce this, you designed really nice stuff. So they provide you with a full thing of hand wash and a full thing of hand cream. I don't think I can take these home with me. You've got a massive mirror, which, hello. And then as we're going through into the shower, you have a rain head, and then you have 3 bottles here of conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. And it's such a nice bathroom. I love it. In terms of location, this place is incredible. It is right next to the Thames. There's only one building in between, as I've said, and there's loads of restaurants along the front of that. So if you just want to go out and eat somewhere, you literally need to nip out the front door, walk a few steps, and you're right there. It's so cool. Bankside is also one of my favorite places to walk along. So it's one of my favorite parts of London. I like to go right the way down to Tower Bridge, and then I can go up to Waterloo. Yeah, it's just a really fantastic area. This is a 4-star hotel. It might seem to be on a bit more of the pricier side for you. It depends on your budget, obviously. I've done something that is very cheap and also something like this, which is more expensive. You can obviously go crazy more expensive than this. Like, this is nothing for London, really. There are places that are 500, 1,000, even more. If, like me, you like hotel tours, apartment tours, walking tours, or you just really love London, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have more content coming up very soon. And I will see you very soon as well.